Hi my lovies, welcome back to my channel. My hope is to inspire and encourage you to be confident and comfortable in being just you, and that's what makes you beautiful. So if you haven't subscribed already, please join the family, hit the subscribe button and do so, and we'll go ahead and get started. So this is an exciting video for me because if you've been following me for some time, you all know the love relationship that I have with Buffalo Exchange. I can't get enough. So Buffalo Exchange sponsored this video, and I was too excited to accept their special and complimentary invitation to shop at my favorite resale fashion store because it has so much to offer. They have a buy, sell, trade option where you can get store credit or cash for selling your past fashion favorites. The sweet part is that you can find fashionable styles without breaking the bank. They have something for everyone: designer, shoes, vintage, accessories, and more. And Buffalo Exchange gives back to the community by giving you the option to support the environment and help out local nonprofits just by shopping. So in this video, I want to share with you some of the pieces that I found at Buffalo Exchange for a great price for this upcoming spring season. And some of these pieces are even within the trends for this upcoming spring fashion season. I love the bold colors and print of this skirt and how feminine and girly it is. It's definitely an attention-worthy piece. It's 18 bucks and I feel like it was a great find. According to Pop Sugar and Bazaar, the ruffles and the girly florals are in this year. I love the attention to detail with the peekaboo opening in the front and the button collar in the back. I love the color of this jumpsuit, and the drawstring waist is a huge plus to this chick's boyish figure. I absolutely love the wide leg pants and how soft and cool the material is for the warmer spring temperatures. The fringe sleeves took me to a whole different level of love. Elle magazine says that fringes are hot this spring as well, so I will look forward to keeping warm on a chilly spring evening with this fashionable number. Am I the only one that loves a good fitting tailored pant? I mean, I think you're able to dress it in so many ways, up and down, and I love the cut of this pant and the slight crop detail in the length. And for $7.25, I could do no wrong. Bazaar predicts that sparkly shoes, or better, Cinderella shoes, will be popular this spring. I love the clear strap details, but come on, the heel is the true showstopper. I found my hashtag Wakanda Forever Africa earrings. You all know I love statement earrings, and these definitely make a statement. This floral crop top. Can we just say how it's made for this mama, as it creates an illusion of a crop top without actually showing any skin? So how do you think I did? I mean, I think I did pretty good. I got all of this for $100. Save your coins, people. Save your coins. This is the time. So thank you to Buffalo Exchange for gifting me with this awesome shopping experience. You can visit buffaloexchange.com in order to find a location near you. They have different locations throughout the states. If you're in the Atlanta area, you definitely want to visit the Buffalo Exchange on Ponce de Leon Avenue. That's the one that I shopped at for this particular video, and they have awesome finds. I'll leave the address to that location in the description box below. Alright, so you all have to let me know which piece was your favorite. I look forward to reading your comments and finding out why. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more videos on this channel, make sure that you subscribe and you hit the alert button so that you can get notifications when I post a new video. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, lovies. Mwah.